This video will show you how to add animation effects to a still image in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's use this image as an example. First, drag the edges of the image clip on the timeline to set the duration for your animation. Move the playhead to the very beginning of the clip. Then, go to the Effect Controls panel. Find the Scale property and set its value to 150. Now, find the Position property and click the stopwatch icon next to it to create your first keyframe. Next, move the playhead to the end of the photo clip. Adjust the position values to move the image to a new location. This creates a basic motion effect. Now, let's try a more advanced technique. Like before, set your image duration to about 7 seconds and move the playhead to the start of the clip. In the Effect Controls panel, click the stopwatch icons next to both the Scale and the Rotation properties. This creates initial keyframes for both. Now, move the playhead to the very end of the clip. Increase the Scale value from 100 to 130. Then, change the Rotation value from 0 to 5. Now you will notice our image has a smooth zoom and rotation effect, and that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've brought your static image to life using Premiere Pro.